Awards will recognize the outstanding performances of our television actors in both primetime and daytime teleseries. We start off with the Daytime TV Drama Actor of the Year because of the record-breaking ratings and outstanding performance of our awardee in the highly acclaimed daytime teleserye, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, as Dr. Robert Tanyag, which won for him several acting nominations and acting trophies. The title of Daytime TV Drama Actor of the Year is given to Richard Yap.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Miss Winnie Reyes.
And it's an honor to be here tonight for the Box Office Entertainment Awards. Salamat sa lahat ng pagsuporta sa amin, to all the viewers out there. Kaya umabot kami sa ganitong katagal. Alam ko na naiinip na yung ibang tao kasi gusto na nila ma-resolve yung mga nangyayari doon, pero kung i-resolve natin lahat, wala nang kwento. Kaya I hope that you keep on supporting Abot Kamay na Pangarap. I would just like to say that it's an honor to be here among all my peers, mga fellow actors ko na nanalo ngayong gabi, especially sa anak ko, si Jillian Ward, kay Pinky Amador, and of course, sa Abot Kamay na Pangarap. And I'd like to thank GMA for trusting us with this project. My managers, Sparkle and Creative Ben, and of course, to all the management, staff, and the production of Abot Kamay na Pangarap. Maraming salamat po, especially to the Box Office Entertainment Awards. Maraming salamat.
Now move on to the Daytime TV Drama Actress of the Year. She has touched so many hearts through her portrayal of child genius Dr. Annalyn Tanyag. And her performance has contributed a lot in the consistent high ratings of the teleserye Abot Kamay na Pangarap. Make way for our Daytime TV Drama Actress of the Year, Jillian Ward.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Jamil Bigyan.
Pasasalamatan ay si Lord. Thank you God sa lahat. Grabe, sobrang daming blessings. Thank you God, and maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo sa Box Office Entertainment Awards sa pag-recognize po sa akin bilang isang artista, at pati na rin po sa mga katrabaho po sa Abot Kamay na Pangarap, ang aking tatay Richard, and si Miss Pinky Amador, at sa show po namin na Abot Kamay na Pangarap. Thank you so much po sa ating GMA bosses, Mr. Duagit, Mr. Gosson, Ms. Annette Gosson, Ms. Joy Marcelo, and Ms. Regine Alba na nakaka-recognize sa akin bilang isang artista. Siya po actually yung nakadiscover po sa akin simula ng baby po ako. And thank you po kay Ms. Ali Dedicatoria and Ms. Joy Pili. Medyo kinakabahan po ako na may nakatingin sa akin. And gusto ko po magpasalamat kay Ms. Kim Alteche, ang aking napakagaling na handler. I love you so much. And of course, thank you po sa aking directors, Direk Abel Vicencio and Direk A.A. Madrideros. I love you, Direk. And thank you po sa acting coach ko na si Ms. Andre Liegas. And bago lumabas ng speech ko, gusto ko po magpasalamat syempre sa family ko, kay Mama, kay Papa, at sa mga kapatid ko po dahil sila po talaga yung buhay ko, sila po yung isang bakit ko po ginagawa po ito. And Happy Mother's Day, Mama! I love you so much! I am so grateful and blessed na nanay kita. And this award is for you and for my late grandmother na si Mommy Anna. And thank you so much po. Thank you!
Next up, our television's top role of Ibarra was perfectly portrayed by our next awardee, and indeed gave justice to one of the most unforgettable characters of Rizal in Noli Me Tangere. Please welcome the Primetime TV Drama Actor of the Year, Dennis Trillo.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Marta Pascual.
Pagbati kay Ibarra. Pagbati kay Ibarra. Ngayon naman, kilalanin natin si Maria Clara na makabagong panahon, si Clay. Maria Clara at Ibarra experimented on this concept of bridging the past and the present to understand the true meaning of Noli Me Tangere. Clay is a central character who is able to travel through both times, portrayed by our next award. She was able to play the difficult role, and because of this, the Guillermo Foundation gives the title of Primetime TV Drama Actress of the Year to Barbie Forteza.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Mr. Raymond Mendoza.
ng Box Office Entertainment Awards 2024. Medyo parang halos lagpas isang taon na po yata ang nakakalipas magmula nang natapos ang programang nagbago ng buhay ko. Kaya maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagkilala sa aking trabaho sa programang ito at sa pagsuporta at pagtangkilik sa aming programang Maria Clara at Ibarra. Maraming salamat. Gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa aming direktor, Direk Zig Dulay. Maraming salamat po sa pagbahagi ng iyong husay at talento para magawa ng napakagandang proyekto nito. And syempre to GMA Network, to my Sparkle family, maraming salamat for always believing in me, for always supporting me. To my Barbinatics na nandito ngayon, sa aking mga kaibigan, maraming salamat sa pagpunta at sa palaging pagsuporta sa akin. And of course, to my family, tatay ko nandito po ngayon. Lagi akong pinagmamaneho, kaya siya talaga ang aking ultimate love team sa lahat ng show. Siya talaga lagi kong kasama. Thank you, Daddy, sa aking ate, Abby. Thank you so much for always being there for me and for always supporting me. Happy Mother's Day, Mama! Para sa ito, I love you. Happy Mother's Day. Maraming salamat po!
sa ate, ba't ka nga?
Kiss me po.
Pasok, Aldi. Pasok, Joanne. Palisin mo kayo isang bet.
Kiss me po. Hindi pa patanong ate Tess. Nasaan na ba si ate Tess?
Albi, tawagin mo nga yan. Bye-bye.
Jillian! May bubang naman. Dok Annalyn!
Si ate kayo pa hindi nakakasingit.
Dok Annalyn! Dok Annalyn! Dok Annalyn! Duty pa sa 80! Picture!
Ay, si ate tumat... Ate, tumatay dito. Si Master ang ano, ang finale. Totoo.